In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a business email plan on GoDaddy and connect it to your domain. We'll be walking through the process from the moment you arrive on the GoDaddy website all the way to completing your purchase and assigning your new email address. This is a straightforward setup, but it helps to know what to expect so you can move through each screen confidently and avoid confusion. Start by going to GoDaddy.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the section labeled Email and Office. This is where GoDaddy lists its business email options, including standard professional email services and Microsoft 365 plans. Take a moment here to review the available choices. Depending on your needs, you may want a simple branded email solution or a plan that includes additional tools like calendar access, cloud storage, or productivity apps. The important thing at this stage is to choose the tier that best fits how you plan to use your email. After selecting the email tier you want, you'll move on to the plan options. Here, you'll usually be asked to choose the length of your subscription. For example, you may see monthly or annual billing options. In many cases, longer terms can offer better pricing, so it's worth comparing the totals before continuing. Once you've picked the duration that works best for you, click Add to Cart. From there, proceed to checkout. As you review your cart, double check that the email product and subscription length are correct before moving forward. This is a good habit anytime you're purchasing a service online, especially if it renews automatically later. Next, enter your payment details and complete the purchase. Make sure all billing information is entered accurately so the transaction goes through without delays. Once your order is confirmed, GoDaddy will guide you to the setup stage. At this point, follow the prompt to assign the new email address to your domain. This is the step that connects your purchased email service to your website domain so you can start using a branded address instead of a generic one. Carefully choose the email name you want, confirm the domain it should be attached to, and finish the setup as instructed on screen. Once that's done, your business email purchase is complete, and your address is ready for the next stage of configuration or use. If you're setting this up for a team, you can repeat the same general process later for additional mailboxes.